the month of October is usually a bullish month for Bitcoin, which is one of the reasons we saw a short-term pump immediately we entered the month of October. A few days ago, I dropped a free signal for Pendle USDT. I'm sure I also dropped it here on YouTube. I'm going to tag it here so you can see the prediction that I made about the pump that happened recently, and we made a lot of money from it. If you missed it, then I would say you subscribe to my channel and also join my free Telegram group, which I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. All right. So far, Pendle has been gaining some popularity in the market, and what is going to happen to this token, and why have we been seeing this kind of tremendous pump? Nathaniel is my name, and on this YouTube channel I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies. I come up here every day so tell you what to buy, what to sell per time, and together we've been making some cool cash. So you would want to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you traded the previous Pendle, I want to see you drop in the comment section and tell me how much you made. If you missed the signal, you should also drop a comment. Let me know so I can add you to the free available groups and also tell you the next one that you should buy or sell. Yesterday we traded the API 3 and it dumped exactly as predicted, right? So you don't want to miss these free signals that I come up here to drop for you. Okay, so let's go straight into the business of the day. This is Pendle USDT charts, and you can see I don't know what you see on the screen right now, but to me this is really bullish, but with a little bit of retracement. I try to identify some key major liquidity levels for us to take note of, and I want to explain very few basic things that you should know by mere looking at this chart. This is the all-time high, which is 0.8475 cents. And this was Friday 28th July 2023. Meanwhile, Pendle is a token that enables tokenization and also the trading of future yield. Okay, so it is an awesome project. You might want to check on CoinMarketCap and read about this project if you don't know much about it. You can see that we have just been navigating between these points, okay, and these points. These are the major liquidity zone. Okay, which is why I am expecting that we would possibly come back to 0.61. This is going to be my next buy movements. Okay, ultimately this is going to be my next buy movement, and when we are coming back up, I definitely would expect a breakout. And one of the reasons I would expect a breakout from here is because we are 20% away from the all-time high. Okay, this is the all-time high. If we don't break out of this, then my next expectation would be we fall back here and have a bearish market to say 0.52 cents. Okay, so you would want to set a buy order here. So at this point I would say buy. This is where I would go into the trade 0.6, and I'm patiently waiting for this. So right now we have a very bullish candlestick for the one-day charts. Okay, and I'm actually expecting it to close, because when you check the volume, okay, you can see the drop down that is happening on the volume of traders here. Okay, so this is actually a point for me to sell. Okay, you don't want to buy when we are above the middle of this pattern. Okay, so you don't want to wait when we get up here. You look for a sign to sell or to short. You look for a signal to sell when we get to this resistance, and whenever we are coming down, you'd want to wait till we hit the support level before you take your entry, right? So this remains my entry, and this is what I expect from Pendle at the moment. Okay, $1 is pretty much possible for Pendle the moment we enter the next bull run, and I hope you're all prepared for this. I made a video about it a few months ago, even before it was listed on Binance. I told us to make sure we are holding this as part of our portfolio, and a lot of other tokens that I've made mention of and are doing greatly well. So you wouldn't want to miss some of these things that I say, especially if you would like to take advantage of them. So I believe this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not. In my next video, I'm going to be telling us what to buy in the month of October. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies I have marked out and I want to share with us so we can partake and take advantage of the market swing. All right, thank you, and thank you for watching.